Check this out, guys. It's working. Oops. It's working. Listen to that sound. Here I am again with my solar cooker. We're cooking it very delicately. What I'm going to try to do here is I'm going to try to like flip it every 10 seconds or so. Let me adjust the sun here. I'm turning it more or less about every 10 seconds. I'm going to try to see if this will help me cook it better. And yes, here we are in this space dish. This is alien technology. No, of course it's not alien technology. But like, you know, can you imagine? You know, to think that, you know, about 9 minutes ago, a reaction in the middle of the sun sent a photon, too many of them to count, into this little dish here. 9 minutes later, and it's causing the heat that's cooking my steak. It's a beautiful thing. So here we go with a beautiful crust y todo el pedo. It looks like it's done, ready to be collected from the meal. Guys, here I'm making some potatoes with carrots. Now, basically out of convenience, I'm gonna cook the carrots and the potatoes that I selected for this in this grease that came off of the thingy. Oops, we had a straggler there that jumped off this cooking utensil. I'm gonna try to get it nice and crisp, the potatoes anyway.